Nash. Disney'n troi, chwilio am Wild, Poole tu mewn. Gyfrol mae Cei Connah, groesiad yn ddim, a mae Josh Williams wedi rhoi'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Mae'r groesiad yn berffaith i lwybr rhediad. Josh Williams sy'n rhwydo i gol gyntaf o'r tymor. Bradley yn crymanu'r bêl, tara'r postyn. Heibio Dave Jones, dylia'r golwr, di gwneud tipyn gwell yn ath o. A mae di dyblu mantais Cei Connah. Bas da i lwybr Jordan Davies gan Disney yn y cyffyrddiad yn y braidd yn ei dro, mae'n cael ei faglu, mae'n gico'r smotyn. Ond y bas na gan Disney'n holli'r amddiffyn. Davies yn amseru'r rediad yn berffaith, cael ei faglu gan Dave Jones ar rwan yn y gyfle iddo fo. Jordan Davies a'i droed de, yn plannu'r bêl yn hawdd i'r chwith o'r golwr. Trydydd gol o'r noson i Cei Connah. Declan Poole yn torri mewn, heibio i wol yn bas wych i Josh Williams. Williams ar groesiad, ffynnu nôl, teg at Declan Poole, arbediad wych gan Dave Jones. Oedd yn gweld llawer am hwnna. Wrth i ddod drwy glwstwr y chwaraewyr. Unwaith eto, chwarae penny gamp gan Cei Connah. Firth, Letraws, teg at Wild, fel giro gan Simpson. Mae'n disgyn i Josh Williams ar y foli! Ydy o'n methu o fanna. Josh Williams yn disgwyl yna, ddod lawr ar ei droed chwith ac yn plannu'r bêl i gefn yr hwyd. Lewis, Bradley i faglu, mae Bradley wedi gweld un Cerdyn Melyn yn barod. A hwnna ydy'r ail Cerdyn Melyn, a fydd Bradley yn cael cawod cynnar yma heno. Wedi sgorio. Mae'n cael Cerdyn Coch gan y dyfarnwr. Franklin yn cael ei ryddhau gan Harrington a Jack Kenny yn y cwrt Cosby. Ceisio wedi bear yn Simpson, mae Harry Franklin ar ei droed de, Franklin. Un cyffyrddiad normod efallai, Dave Jones yn ei gollwng ni yn dalu ar yr ail gynnig wrth ymosodiad sydyn gan Cei Connah. Franklin wan, tu cefn i Walsh, Kenny yn y canol. Franklin mynd i hun efallai, taro'r postyn. Braidd yn hunanol gan Harry Franklin. Dyna gos dwywaith fan i sgorio yn erbyn i Ginglo.
In terms of half-time, when you're 4-0 up, it's not a conversation a half-time team talk you have to have too often. But you know, we know the spirit that's within Aberystwyth. You know, in terms of the way that they fight for themselves, for the manager, for each other, for the football club. So when you did come back in the first 10-15 minutes after it, we probably weren't as good in the first 10-15 minutes as we would like to have been, and then the sending off sort of makes the second half go slightly differently. But then we showed another side to ourselves, and when you go down to 10 men with 30 minutes to go and have to defend for large spells, you know, keeping a clean sheet is equally as important as the first half performance.
Like I said, I got far better squad this year than I had last year. I know that. I've still got one or two players to come in, which I know they're coming in as well. But yeah, we go into the game full of confidence in the second half. A few honest truths were said at half time in the dressing room and needed to be said. But I don't mind that, as long as it's in the right way. And we need to take our second half performance into next week now.
Yeah, really clinical. I think that's the difference probably since we've been back in regards to pre-season and in Europe. We scored a lot of goals in pre-season. Unfortunately, since we got back into Europe, we didn't take our chances. We did create chances such as that, but tonight, yeah, everything seemed to click in the first half especially.